Hello! Today I have a quick Crimson Desert tutorial for you. Hopefully this will help you if you're having issues. And this is with the Abyss Without Balance quest. And then it's a little puzzle that you got to figure out here. And kind of the end of the puzzle, it says you need to hang on the middle of the power device, then activate it with Force Palm. So just walk over here and you're going to climb up this area right here. And once you get to the top, you're going to go over to the main circle device. And then you're going to just jump up and climb up it until you get to the middle. Oh, didn't get up there, fell over. So yeah, just climb up here right to the middle here. And then you're going to do the Force Palm. And that's what you need to do to activate it. It's going to blow you back out. And there you go. It is activated and everything is how it should be. And then you can continue on the quest. And so what you want to do is you're going to climb back up to the top and go over to the top of that platform up there at the top. And you'll be able to continue on with the quest. So there you go. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you are struggling with it, let me know if it was helpful. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.